Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss the post-reading activities of 8th class English follow-up lesson. The name of the lesson is The Olympic Champion and the Dogs. You understand? Yes. Comprehension activities. MCQ. Multiple choice questions. E. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct options. Bobby Pierce belongs to Holland, B. Poland, C. Australia, D. France. Which is correct? Australia. Australia is correct. Right. Next one is he won the first race when he was A. 5, B. 6, C. 28, D. 13. Which is correct? 6. Next, he went to participate अंशग्रहण करिया in the Olympic Games for the first time in 1947, 1928, 1948, 1938. Which is correct? Number B is correct. Right. Next, when Bobby saw the dogs, he slowed down, changed his direction, waited. Both A and C. Yes, both A and C. Slowed down and waited. So D is correct.
A.
Or A slowed down. Right. Next, Bobby won days. A race, everybody's heart. Which is correct? Both A and D. Both A and D. That means D is correct. Both A and B. Right? B is correct. Both B, A and B. This one and this one. That means D is correct. Okay. Next one is what? Match. Who said what? Could understand? Match means tago meleva. Who said what? Kiye kon कहला? A. He won the goodwill of the children of Amsterdam. Who said it? Tell me. The Dutch newspaper. Who said it?
Dutch news.
Yes. The Dutch newspaper. The Dutch newspaper, right. Next. 6 is her. Who said it? Bobby.
B.
Bobby said it. Bobby is that kind of a block. Who said it?
Bobby's friend.
Bobby's friend. How old are you, Bobby? One of the Georges. Next one is about writing. Where was Bobby Pierce born? Bobby Pierce was born in Sydney. In Sydney. In Australia. In Australia. At what age did he learn how to row boats? At the age of 5. At the age of 5. So, first one is Bobby was born in Sydney, in Australia. Second one is Bobby learned to row boats at the age of 5. Next one is, let's see what is that question. Yes. At what age did he win the first race? Tell me. At the age of, he won the first race at the age of 6. at the age of 6. At the age of 6. In which year did he participate in Olympic Games? 19. He participated in Olympic Games in the year 1928. And next one is how did Bobby win the hearts of everyone? Bobby slowed down his boat to avoid hitting the dogs swimming across the course. Although his competitor was catching him fast, by this incident he won the hearts of everybody. Right? Write 5 or 6 sentences about Bobby. Yes, we shall discuss. Yes. Bobby was born in Sydney. His father was a schooling champion. He learnt how to row boats at the age of 5. He won his first race when he was 6 years old. He became the national champion at the age of 20. He participated in the Olympic Games in 1928. He competed in the race for 35 years. He retired from competitions in the 1945. Next one is the tailpiece. Here is the tailpiece. Let's see what is the tailpiece about. Yes. Here is the tailpiece. This is the Rio athletes embody Olympic spirits during mid-race fall. Mid-race ମଧ୍ୟରେ এই ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତା ମଧ୍ୟରେ similar spirit was shown by 2 athletes. Here are 2 athletes. How many athletes? 2 athletes. This is an athlete, this is an athlete. How many athletes are there? 2 athletes. Okay. So, similar spirit was shown. ସେଇଭଳିଆ ଜିଲ୍ by shown ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶିତ କରାଯାଇଛି by 2 athletes, 2ଟି ଖେଳାଳି. Hamlin of New Zealand and D. Agostino of America. Hamlin tripped and fell on the Agostino. Here. Agostino instead of running helped Hamlin get up. This is Hamlin, this is Agostino. They were competing. In the mid course, this one fell down. So, Agostino should surpass her, but she did not. She helped her competitor. Hamlin helped her to get up. Yes, Hamlin helped her to get up. Then both ran together to finishing point. ଦିଜଣ ଯାକ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଗଲେ. For showing the Olympic spirit, both are given Olympic Fair Play Award, the only award of its kind in the Olympics. प्रथम थर कर दिया है. So again, similar spirit was shown by 2 athletes, Hamlin of the New Zealand and D. Agostino of America. Hamlin tripped and fell on Agostino. ये Hamlin पड़. This is Hamlin. Agostino instead of running helped Hamlin get up. Hamlin को Agostino. So he is she is Hamlin and she is Agostino. Okay. Next, let's move. Yes, this one. An interview with P.V. Sidhu. Read the following text and answer the questions that follow. At the Rio Olympics Games 2016, P.V. Sindhu, not Sidhu, that is Sindhu. P.V. Sindhu from India won the silver medal in the women's badminton final event. He is an interview between Sindhu and PTI. Reporter, hi Sindhu, how are you? Sindhu, I am fine, thank you. Reporter, well Sindhu, You hoped for a gold for India, but you own a silver. How do you feel about it? तमें गोल्ड चाहूला सिल्वर विन कल किमिति अनुभव करुछ सिंधु I ended up with a silver medal but I am really happy and proud of it. मु सिल्वर पाइली किंतु मु सेतिर खुशी आ गर्वित. Reporter, how about the match you lost to? How about the match you lost to world number 1 Carolina Marin? Sindhu, I really worked hard. बहुत परिश्रम करथिली. Gave my heart to out, but it was Carolina's day. किंतु सेटा केरोलिनार डे थिला. I congratulated her. मु ताकू congratulate कली. Reporter, thank you very much. Sindhu, you are most welcome. Welcome, sir. Yes, next one is comprehension questions. What did I say? Tell me, comprehension questions. Yes. Who do you see in the picture? I see PV Sindhu in the picture. PV Sindhu. What is she kissing? She is kissing her silver medal she won. This is the silver medal she is kissing. Where did she win the medal? In the Olympic Games of 2016. Okay, next. Where did she win? She won the medal in Rio. Number 4. In which event did she win it? She won it in the women's badminton final event. Who are there in the interview? The reporters are there in the interview. What did she hope for India? She hoped to win a gold for India. Did she get it? No, she didn't get it. She won a silver. 8. How did she feel about it? She felt very happy and proud about it. 9. How did she work for the event? She worked very hard for the event. Who did she lose to? Yes, she lost to Carolina Martin. Who won the game? Carolina Martin won the game. How did she greet Carolina on her win? She congratulated her on her win. Could you understand? What did I say? Could you understand or not? Yes. Here are some words. The words and phrases pada evam vakyans have been defined mostly on contextual meaning. Prasangara. So ancient, it's an adjective visheshana. Its meaning is after time long past, puratana prachina. Could you understand? So in ancient, the ancient people did not know the use of iron. Iron व्यवहार जान नथले. The ancient people did not know the use of salt. Salt व्यवहार जान नथले. Lunar व्यवहार जान नथले. Athletes, noun. Sports persons, खिलाड़ी, क्रीड़ाविद. So athletes. So we see different kinds of athletes in Olympic Games. Next, block, fellow, used in an informal way, sati loko, block. So he is a good block or he is a good fellow. Ceremony, noun, ceremony uchchava, a social or a religious event observed uchchava. That is, my sister's marriage ceremony is going to take place next week. Compete, this is a verb. A social, take part in a contest, pratijogita kariba. So, athletes compete in different competitions. Next, continent, noun. What did I say? Noun, continent. Big land area like Asia and Africa, Mahadesha. Asia is a continent. Could understand? Australia is also a continent, Mahadesha. But India is a country. Dangerous, this is adjective, Visheshana. Dangerous means Vipadapurna. Harmful, Vipadapurna. Could understand? A snake is a dangerous animal. A tiger is a dangerous animal. Ducklings, noun, baby dogs, Bataga. A dog has 6 ducklings. Could understand? Flame, noun, Sikha, Olympic flame, Olympic masala. Flames, the color of a flame. Flame looks yellow. Could understand? Flame. The flame is very hot. Next one is harbor, noun, potasraya, port, the place where ships stay. Ships anchor in the harbor. Next one is, yes, harm's way, danger zone, विपद क्षेत्र वे विपदपूर्ण रास्ता संभाव्य दुर्घटना अंचल. So that place is harm's, that is harm's way. Don't go there. Don't follow it. In honor of praise, samanarthi, in order to show respect. So a feast was arranged in honor of his marriage. Next, jealous, adjective, Irsa, a feeling of intolerance, envious, Irsa parayana, he is jealous of my success. Looked over his soldier, looked briefly raising his head, mundo utei chahle. Could understand? He looked back over his soldier, pachuko, khanda upar dei pachuko anele. Losers, noun, those who do not win, parajita khelali ba vyakti. Could understand? A competition creates winners and also losers. Competitions create winners and losers. Those who lose are called losers. Participants, अंशग्रहणकारी, noun. Those who take part in some events. So, Olympic game, different participants go to Olympic games to take part in different events. So, in the game, I am a participant. ए खेल मु जने अंशग्रहणकारी. Robs पोशाक, noun, a type of dress. This is my robe. This is my robe. Rowing race, boat racing competition. This is a boat racing competition. Rowing race means a boat racing competition. Schooling, single man boat racing competition. एक चालक विशिष्ट नौका चालना प्रतियोगिता. Swifter, adjective, faster, खूब शीघ्र. His horse is sweeter than mine. ता घोड़ा मोटू क्षिप्र गतिरे जाए. Run into, hit, धक्का मारिबा. If you go in front of a running car, it may run into you. Right? धक्का मार दबो. With this, that is the end of today's lesson. We shall discuss the other lessons in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.